been about 2 weeks since I arrived in Sarandë. Last week, I made a video exploring Samel, but after spending a little bit more time here, I decided to take a short trip across the water. From Sarandë, you can actually see Greece on most days. The island of Corfu sits just across the channel, only about 30 minutes by ferry. So I booked a ticket and spent 3 days and 2 nights there. I'm going to Corfu. Last minute trip. You can get a boat there in 30 minutes. I think that is the fastest border crossing for passport control in history. I literally bought a ticket to Greece 10 minutes ago and I'm about to board a boat. And I'll be in Greece in 30 minutes. Crazy. Arriving in Corfu, it felt strangely familiar. This was actually my 3rd time visiting the island. The first time was 10 years ago, when I came here for my 30th birthday. Then again 2 years ago for a wedding. And now somehow, I've ended up back here again. What I've noticed is that every time I return, I discover something different about the place. This trip, I spent a lot of time wandering around Corfu's Old Town. Narrow alleyways, old squares, quiet streets where the buildings lean in toward each other. The architecture here carries centuries of history, shaped by Venetian influence and generations of people who pass through these same streets. One of the places that really captures the feeling is the old fortress. Standing up there, looking back across the town and outward towards the sea, you get a sense of how long this island has really been here. Watching ships come and go, and maybe that's the part of what gives this place its atmosphere. Buildings that have been standing around for hundreds of years. Walls that have seen empires rise and fall. When you walk through somewhere like that, it changes the way a whole place feels.
So I'm in Greece on the island of Corfu, sitting on the Ionian coast. I asked myself today, why do we romanticize Europe so much? What is different about this that makes it so special that we must go, I must go to Europe this summer. The wine is the best, the cheese is the best, the food is the best. Why? Is it the best? Is it the buildings? Is it the atmosphere? What is it about Europe that we romanticize so much? Why does croissant or a baguette in Paris, champagne tastes better than when you're in another country?
But Corfu also reminded me of something else I hadn't thought about in a long time. Walking through the old town at night, I stumbled across a few street performers. Musicians playing in small squares, guitars echoing through the alleyways, people stopping for a few minutes before moving on again. And it instantly took me back to another chapter of my life. Years ago in Berlin, that was my world. Standing on street corners, playing music, meeting strangers passing through the city. There's something about street music that can completely change the atmosphere of a place. A quiet street suddenly feels alive. People slow down, and for a moment everyone becomes part of the same little scene. And watching those performances made me wonder something that I haven't really asked myself in years. Could I ever do that again? Pick up a guitar somewhere in Europe and just start playing? Because sometimes it's not the buildings or the history that makes a memorable place. Sometimes it's the people creating something in that moment.
So a few years ago, for about 9 years, my full-time job was playing street music. So seeing all these musicians out here today kind of reminded me that feeling of what it's like to perform to people, what it's like to bring joy to people. And honestly, I think I kind of miss it. I wonder if it's something I will go back to in the future.
And after a few days wandering through Corfu, well, it was time to head back. So I caught the ferry again, this time the same short crossing back across the water. And as Sarandë slowly came back into view, I noticed something I wasn't really expecting, a strange feeling of relief. It's hard to explain why. Corfu might have its history, the old architecture, the laid atmosphere of a place that's been around for centuries, but sometimes a place starts to feel familiar in a different way. And somewhere during these past couple of weeks, Sarandë had quietly started to feel a little bit more like home.
I guess I have to ask myself the question, is this the Europe that I've been missing? Maybe. Maybe.